Halo, Assalamualaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. I'm Johanna Candrawati Firnani, student number 190105008, and now I'd like to answer some questions by explaining about non-probability sampling. So the first one is, why must we using non-probability sampling? Because we can choose the sample subjectively, depends on the certain characteristic. There are several types of non-probability sampling. Snowball sampling. The researchers want to collect sample of students who are communicating in English even in their daily life. And then the researchers already takes 2 students to be their sample. And then that 2 students are looking for their friends who are fit with the researchers' criteria to complete the sample of the researchers. And then the second one is purposes sampling. Our researchers collect sample of students in Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto who are fluent in communicating in more than 3 languages. Quota sampling. Our researchers will study about English ability of listening in SMP Negeri 1 Purwokerto. And then the researchers take sampling of 10% of 7th grade students, 10% of 8th grade students, and 10% of 9th grade students. And finish sampling. Our researchers found 20 students who visited the cinema as a research sample. Next, hazard sampling. Taking sample of 10th grade student in SMA Negeri 2 Purwokerto to know their ability to adapt with new place. And then the next one is expert sampling. Our researchers interview some teacher in Purwokerto that specialized in IT for their teaching activity. Model instant sampling. Taking off some stuff of SM Entertainment based on good communication foreign language skill. And then the next one is example of English language education context using purposes sampling. Researching the English language education student who are trained their listening ability by listening podcasts on Spotify. So thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.